Man, it's been hot out there.
Y'all, it's movie night.
And we sent Tyler to the grocery store.
Right.
He brought back all the wrong stuff.
Yeah, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. The main bad thing is that me and Titus earlier, while we were waiting on him to get back from the store, we were on the couch, and I was like, we're gonna have to rearrange in here because I have to sit sideways on the couch to see the TV.
Yeah.
And so we decided to move to the love seat. So we took our persons, ourselves, and the remote
Across
from the couch to the love seat. Mm-hmm. And we lost the remote.
We don't know where that remote is.
It completely disappeared. I'm holding fish.
We was gonna make some fish sandwiches.
Right.
Butterfly shrimp.
And slaw.
And slaw.
And we were gonna make Oreo Rice Krispie treats.
We might still do that. We might run back up there.
Yeah, we might still do that because he accidentally got frosted Krispies instead of, which I mean, would that be bad?
Nah, it won't be bad.
We'll try it with the frosted Krispies. I mean,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
How could it be bad?
Right.
We'll just cook up this fish and shrimp and we'll be ready to eat.
There's a hole inside this one.
There's a hole?
Let me show you where the hole is.
Oh, it's this right here.
Yeah, that's a hole.
Okay, that's okay. Did you tear the hole? Here.
Yes, I did.
You did?
You did.
Don't have to make slaw either. We got salad mix. We have Doritos that the kids can have with theirs. We've asked the remote hider if he knew where it was, but he doesn't know.
He
where
was
it
right
is.
there the whole time.
Yeah.
As we was almost taking a nap, he might have lost it. It don't take just a minute to cook that fish.
No, it's real fish.
That's actually really good fish right there. I've eaten it before.
It's the Gorton's.
It's pretty close. It ain't exactly, but it's pretty close to Captain D's. Family
He
size?
said they're not family size.
Oh, they're not family size.
Family size Oreo.
He did get the family size fish fillets though. 26 fillets in here.
Oh, is he saying that Tyler didn't get the family size?
Yeah, he didn't get the family size Oreos.
Oh, okay.
I feel like you've forgotten about this. Late night snack.
Oh, yeah.
Smoky green chili
It's Friday.
cheesesteak.
We're going to stay up late tonight.
Friday. We're gonna be living it up.
Yeah, I forgot it was Friday,
All
actually.
seasons of Little House on the Prairie.
Oh, yeah.
Beginning to end.
Me and Fallon's going to go ride horses tomorrow.
I'm not nervous. Not on Dixie and not with him holding her with the rope.
You still got her training wheels on,
Yeah,
everybody.
training wheels, that's right.
There's really nothing quite like the feeling of stepping up on a young horse that's never been rode and feeling all those muscles really tense.
Oh yeah.
Knowing that when they,
I'll never know that feeling.
knowing that when, like my daddy and them used to hold them for me when I'd get on them. I only had two people that I trusted when I was breaking a lot of horses and training a whole lot of
Let me see
horses.
if I can guess who they are.
Okay,
Your daddy?
right. That's the first one.
Felice?
Nope.
No, not Felice.
I mean, I would trust Felice, I think.
So we're 2 or 3 people.
We had two people that I know for sure that I was breaking a lot of horses with.
Your
that-
daddy and give me a hint.
He's stout.
Kenny.
Kenny.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I had daddy. If Kenny told me, if my daddy, when I had to step up on a horse, if my daddy said I got him, I knew he had him.
Yeah.
He wasn't letting him go. In other words, he was gonna let me get seated good before I said let him go.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It wasn't gonna be like, it's gonna catch me off guard kind of deal.
Yeah.
Kenny was the same way. You know, you need to get both feet in the stirrup if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Before we let her rip, Tater Chip.
Right.
But I had another buddy, and I won't mention his name, a good guy. And he told me one time, I said, look, I'm gonna step up on this horse. He said, I got him. I don't know, 5 minutes later, I had a broke rib.
Yeah.
Because he didn't have him. There's only a few people that I've trusted in my life doing that, because I used to train horses for a living.
Yeah.
For people that may be wondering. There was a lot of times when I was doing a lot of it by myself, but if I was on a really dangerous horse, I'd like for somebody to at least be there. So nobody wants to see their buddy get hurt, but if it's gonna happen, they don't want to miss
Right.
it. That's another story at Thanksgiving and Christmas. You remember that time that horse throwed you off, cut you 3 flips?
Yeah.
Now we're on some butterfly shrimp.
Y'all, the best tartar sauce, if you like Long John Silver's tartar sauce, I've told y'all this before, but it's worth a revisit. Great value. It tastes.
That stuff good, yeah.
It tastes almost identical to Long John Silver's
I
tartar
know I
sauce.
skipped a word in that sentence. That stuff is good.
That's my favorite, is Long John Silver's. I like Captain D's tartar sauce, okay, but Long John's my favorite.
Yeah, and I do like Captain D's the best, but
Yeah, he likes it the best.
shooting high.
I got this new sight for
Oh yeah.
it. Push up and down.
Oh yeah, I seen one of those years ago. I like that. That's nice there now.
And it's
Was it shooting
straight.
high?
Yeah, real high. So I don't know if I need to
I'd go up with it. Yeah.
go up with it?
Yeah.
All right.
Is that a little bit higher than where it was just a second ago? How high was it a while ago when you shot it?
I had it all the way, so it was all the way down.
Okay, you'll probably hit this time. There you go.
All right, cleanup is done, and we're about to do something we've never done before. Frosted Rice Krispie treats. We need 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put it in this pot. I've already got it on medium. Let me grab a knife real quick. 9 cups of mini marshmallows minus 1. We need 1 cup to mix with the Rice Krispies and all here in a minute. So we're gonna put 8 cups in here with this butter, and we need to be crushing up the Oreos. I'll turn this down so it can melt a little slower. Manly reminded me, we gotta crush these. We'll use the mini food chopper for it. Somebody's already been taste testing
This
them.
was $60. A
Was
lot
it?
of money.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he said that.
that was a lot of money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1990.
6, 7, 8, 9. We'll do that many because
9 at a time.
$100.
I want there to be like a few little clumps, you know, so
Yeah.
I think that's good right there.
I really think this is gonna be good, baby.
Yeah, you want to have a few little clumps, maybe not that big. Let's see, we'll break this in half. About like that, just a few of them around, you know,
Oh yeah.
in the Rice Krispie treat. Now, in here with the Oreo crumbs, we're gonna put 5 cups of the Frosted Krispies. Regular Krispies, if your son got the right kind.
Right. It may even be better this
It might
way.
be,
you
yeah.
know? I know I like those when I'm just eating cereal better.
Okay, that's it. I did a little bit too much, y'all got carried away. This is my 2-cup measuring cup.
That's alright.
I need to take some of those out. Okay. Now we need to put in, I'm just gonna dump those over there for right now. It makes me pretty happy. And I'm gonna put in 1 cup of marshmallows over here with the Rice Krispies and the Oreos. And then we're gonna put in 8 cups with the melted butter. There's 2
Marshmallow sneakers.
marshmallow sneakers. And we like lots of marshmallows.
Oh yeah, we want more the better.
Yeah, I'll actually go back in and probably add a few more. That way you get.
Y'all seeing something?
I should have used the scissors.
I'm like, what's going on? Is this another episode of trying to beat that sausage to
It
death?
was frozen, y'all, this morning. The middle of it was still frozen a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, I was having a hard time.
She just kept
Now-
on after that sausage.
We're gonna try to use this Pioneer Woman spatula here, y'all. It won't work too good, but we'll give it a try. I'm gonna spray this with a little bit of cooking spray so that when the marshmallows start melting, they don't stick to it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up our Oreo stuff over here. Now I'll spray a little bit more. Actually, I'm gonna wash it off, y'all. Probably you didn't, want to spray it just to mix that part, but
She did.
I did. You do want to spray it for this though, because these are gonna start melting and they get really sticky.
We try to keep it real.
There ain't nobody
Y'all-
perfect up in this kitchen.
No, nobody's perfect in this kitchen. There's actually no one perfect in this life.
Right. They edit out the
There's
mistakes.
a lot of editing going on out there.
But see, it's really, that tip works good for this marshmallow part.
Yeah, it
slides
does.
right
That's
off. See?
perfect. Yeah.
We're gonna put in just about half a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. We just have this pink Himalayan, so I'm just gonna barely do a little
I'm on marshmallow duty.
Yeah, I got this 9.2 by 9.2 pan here because we want to go with the thicker ones. And I'm just going to take this other butter. It was already, I had it sitting out for a little while, so it's softened, and I'm just going to butter this pan.
You want me to pour this in?
No, well, I guess it don't matter which one. You can pour that into there or pour that into there, whichever you think. Probably that into there, and we can scrape around the sides and get more.
Okay. These are gonna be good.
Whenever you think it's mixed good, just pour it right into here.
Okay,
And
folks,
we'll
I
press-
just broke this doggone thing off here.
It does that.
I'm gonna keep it real, folks. Well, they let us come on Food Network.
We'll make them some Rice Krispie
They be
treats.
like, we're gonna edit that out. I better leave it. They'll be like, well, that's an unusual way you're holding that bow. I'll be like, that's what people want. They want to see that thing dangle there. Look. No, normally y'all would even this out, but we're gonna leave it like a little
I'm gonna
mountain.
even it.
We're gonna leave it like a little mountain right here and really surprise you.
Here's what you do. You spray a little bit of cooking spray on the top, and then you can just pat it out. And it won't stick to your hands really bad. But man, that stuff is warm, ain't it?
What's happening, Mama?
I know, it's so hot.
Put you some cooking spray on there on the Food Network. And just begin to
Burn your
scald your hands.
Now, I'm gonna take a few marshmallows and put on the top here.
So she just told me that was good. She didn't have to say it. She just turned around and looked at me. And I was like, yep.
Amazing. I'm just gonna press these down in here. Have some pretty, that way people know what it is.
Oh yeah, we don't want to confuse them. I really believe this is going to be delicious.
Looking back, I see it all. And what I would do different is not grind those Oreos up so much, but we can't go back now.
We can't go back now.
We don't have enough marshmallows.
No.
And we don't want to send Tyler back to the store.
What would you have done? Just broke them?
Probably just put them in a bag and banged them a minute, you know, so there would be just more pieces of Oreo, not so much of a powdery,
Okay,
you know. But
yeah.
there's, trust me.
Trust me, I can just see by how you look while it goes. And I know you know how to taste things.
Yeah, it's good.
That's delicious right there.
It's almost ready to pick. What kind of vegetable is that?
Butternut squash.
What do you think? That good?
That's pretty good.
All right. Yeah. I like that.
That's good.
Good stuff. There it is, folks. Right there. Boom. Jonah found it. Charles Ingalls. It was upstairs.